Hi, this is Jeff from Northwest BG, and we're here today to do a quick demo for you on these 4 fuel tank additives. Fuel tank additives have become more and more popular due to carbon deposits building up in GDI engines. We do have cleaning agents directly in the fuel, so what we're going to do for this test is we're going to start with just fuel. This is 87 octane from the pump. I've got 4 equal beakers here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a tracer agent that's going to identify that cleaning DCA is in the system. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops should turn this a slightly blue tint. That tells us that there is in fact cleaning agent in this gas. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. One, two, 3, 4, 5. Give it a quick spin. And finally, our 4th sample. Okay, so now that we have identified that there is cleaning agent in the gasoline itself, what we're going to use is titration A, which is going to neutralize the identifier. And we're going to count how many drops it takes to get back to neutral. So when the color changes back, I've put in 3 drops here. Give it a quick spin, and that's pretty much taking care of that gas. You can see it's turned back to a nice yellow color. So we'll get 3 drops in each of these here. Back to neutral. Back to neutral. And finally, back to neutral. Okay, so now that all of our samples are back to neutral, we're going to add 2 drops of each of the additives, and then we're going to count how many drops it takes to get back to neutral from that point. So to start, we will work on our Valvoline. This is the professional grade product that comes in their 3-part fuel kit. So we've got 2 drops of the Valvoline additive in there. Give it a quick spin. As you can see, it got a much deeper, bluer color. So that looks pretty good. Let's count how many drops it takes to get back to neutral. So there's 3. That's what the additive in the gasoline itself got us to. Looks like it's still holding strong, so I'm just going to give it a couple more. We're now at 5 drops. Starting to weaken just a little bit. Go 6, 7, and maybe 1 more. So we go to 8 drops. And I'd say we're pretty much back to neutral. So 8 drops for the Valvoline. Now we're moving on to the Liqui-Moly. A little more expensive product, should have a little more cleaning ability. There's our 2 drops of Liqui-Moly. Give it a quick spin. Little deeper, darker, bluer color. And we will start with 5. Looks good, still holding strong. Give it another 3. See if we're equal to the Valvoline. Starting to fade just a little bit. So here's 9. Still hanging on. And 10. And we're pretty much dead. We'll give it 1 more. Let's call it 11 for Liqui-Moly. Not bad. All right, moving to MOC. All right. Two drops of MOC goes in. Give it a quick spin. And wow, that's just about the same as the natural gas straight out of the pump, right? Let's give it a drop or two, see how it holds up. Give it one more. I guess we can call MOC 3, which is what the same cleaning power is pretty much what's coming out of the pump. Okay, on to the king, 44K. 1, 2 drops. Give it a quick spin. Nice deep dark blue, almost purple. Let's see, who had the highest so far? Liqui-Moly. What'd we end up there? 10? We'll start with 10. Give it a spin. Pretty much no change. Let's see if we can double Liqui-Moly. There's 20. Still no change. I'm very confident in this product. So let's give it another 20, see if it can make it. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now we're at 40 drops. Basically 4 times the cleaning power of the Liqui-Moly, 5 times the cleaning power of Valvoline, and a whole lot more than MOC. Let's give it another 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're at 60 drops. Still no change. Let's run it up to 100. I'm gonna go for 40 more here. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. That's 100 drops, right? Starting to turn just a little bit. Let's give it 5 more. Still hanging on. Go up to 110. Still hanging on. 115. And I'd say we've pretty close to killed it. 115 drops compared to 3, 8, 10. Pretty amazing stuff. 10 times the cleaning power plus of any of the other competitors we've tested here today. Which one would you rather have in your fuel tank?